Hi there, I'm Duncan Capisciano, and you're about to find out a stack of information that will help you increase your kidney function and get your life back on track. Now, if you're serious about reversing kidney disease and getting your life back to normal, then it'll pay to stay to the end of this video. So who am I? I'm a second-generation Australian naturopath, researcher and author with a passion for healing kidney disease. And my happy clients are saying I've discovered the solution to reversing kidney disease. Listen to what some of them have to say.
My kidney function was at 9%, stage 5. I was dialysing Monday, Wednesday and Friday. I didn't want a kidney transplant. Within 7 weeks, my kidney function went from 9%, stage 5, to 16%, stage 4, and dialysed Tuesday and Saturday to off dialysis within months.
In mid-November, Dad, almost 90, was told that his kidney efficiency was 36%. On the 7th of January 2010, his new blood test results came through and his kidney efficiency is now 73%. Doctor said people of Dad's age should not have kidneys that efficient.
You're about to learn how to reverse your impaired kidney function and heal your kidneys with this safe, scientifically proven, unique, step-by-step, guaranteed method starting today. To put it simply, when your kidneys are not working efficiently, the toxins build up in your body, making you feel more unwell as time goes on. There are serious consequences to impaired kidney function. When you have impaired kidney function or kidney disease, you will be experiencing a wide range of symptoms, the most significant being overwhelming fatigue. You feel absolutely exhausted. Even if you haven't done anything, you feel totally drained. This may be from anemia, which is a consequence of kidney disease and can be treated. Changes in urination. Getting up during the night to urinate, it may be foamy or bubbly. You may have to go more often with less urine that's dark and smelly, or with more urine that's light. Swelling. When your kidneys don't remove the extra fluid, your feet, ankles, legs, face and hands can swell. Skin rash and itching. Your kidneys remove waste and toxins from your bloodstream. When you have impaired kidney function or kidney disease, the toxins come out in your skin, causing a rash and itching. And if that's not enough, here are more distressing symptoms of kidney disease you may be experiencing right now. Headaches, disturbed sleep, nausea and vomiting, restless leg syndrome, chest pain due to inflammation around the heart, bone pain and fractures, decreased sex drive and erectile dysfunction. But I'm going to let you in on a little secret. As bad as those kidney symptoms may seem, if you don't treat your cause, then your efforts will be futile. That's the key to your healing. Treat your cause, heal your kidneys. Here are the main causes of kidney disease. Diabetes 1 and 2. This type of kidney disease is known as diabetic nephropathy. High blood pressure. If not controlled over time, high blood pressure, hypertension can cause kidney damage. Glomerulonephritis. This is inflammation and damage to the kidney's filtration system, which can cause kidney failure. Post-infectious conditions and lupus are among the causes of glomerulonephritis. Polycystic kidney disease. This is an hereditary disease where the kidneys grow cysts, causing chronic kidney disease. Okay, but before moving on, I can hear you saying, I thought kidney disease was irreversible. Well, you are right in some respects. There are no known medical treatments for healing chronic kidney disease. However, there are a variety of treatments for the symptoms. Some of these are controlling blood sugar levels in diabetes, treating hypertension, high blood pressure, with medication, taking diuretics to relieve the load on the kidneys. However, there can be complications with this. Dialysis. Peritoneal dialysis, dialysis through the abdomen lining. Hemodialysis, the blood is circulated through a machine and cleaned before being put back into the body. And kidney transplant. Natural medicine, on the other hand, has literally dozens of remedies that can heal kidney damage, and they've all been tried and tested for the last 2,000 years. You see, ancient medicine and wisdom from China has now begun to surface in the Western culture, and patients all across the world have begun to reap the benefits of their simple but amazing treatments. Not only that, rogue scientists have joined the movement and are now proving what the ancients knew already, and also discovering new specialised nutrients and foods that, once taken in a unique way, can help reverse kidney disease. Here is just a brief rundown of all the treatment possibilities natural medicines have to offer. 1. Herbal medicines. 2. Specific dietary plans. 3. Vitamin and mineral supplementation. 4. Hydration techniques. 5. Specific exercise programs. And 6. Planned stress management strategies. So how do you find out what your cause is, what the best natural medicines are for your condition, and how to combine them to produce the biggest healing effect? You need an experienced naturopath. Working with an expert naturopath is the best way to get an accurate diagnosis and cut through the myriad of misinformation to achieve permanent recovery for impaired kidney function and a more comfortable life if you have kidney failure. You don't need to look any further than here for the expert help you need to return your life to its former healthy, vital, enthusiastic state. As a second-generation naturopath, well respected internationally and recognised as a world leader in kidney disease treatment, let me introduce you to the comprehensive health report, The Kidney Disease Solution, that is generating inspirational, positive health results for kidney disease sufferers around the world. This is the same program that my wife and I were forced to discover when her nana fell ill to kidney disease 3 years ago. My wife is also a naturopath. She was the inspiration to find a solution. Thankfully, through much research and trial and error, she is living a vital and healthy life. And now, of course, so are thousands of people worldwide. When you use this proven system for reversing impaired kidney function and healing kidney disease, you can restore your health to 100%. The system is an easy-to-follow, step-by-step program with guaranteed success, or your every penny back. Here's what you get. I've made sure everything is covered. The program, The Kidney Disease Solution, 111 pages describing the exact step-by-step program to help reverse your kidney damage and improve your kidney function. To make this a no-brainer, I've included 6 invaluable bonuses, the first being the Kidney Disease Cookbook. This cookbook that has been specifically created for you will keep you laser-targeted, knowing which foods improve kidney function and which ones harm. Next, I have for you the Health and Wellness Audio and Guidebook program. In this program, you'll discover mental, emotional and physical fitness techniques, teaching you how to enjoy a lifetime of health and fitness, as well as scientific evidence exposing the incurable disease lie. For bonus number 3, I've put together a guidebook called Glycemic 101. Diabetes is the #1 cause of kidney failure. Therefore, this essential guide will show you how to balance out blood sugar to prevent further damage. Bonus number 4 is an indispensable audio healing meditation. International medical intuitive and healer Julie Lewin has designed a guided meditation that takes you through deep energetic healing and leads you into a deep regenerating sleep. Now, this bonus is very popular among my clients. How to vastly increase your energy in 7 days. The strategies in this ebook will get your energy skyrocketing through your body, and you'll be asking yourself, why doesn't everybody know about this and why aren't they doing it too? Bonus number 6 is a comprehensive guide in conquering stress naturally. Transcend the incessant stress that is controlling your life to become a happy, healthy, proactive individual once again. Plus, 3 months unlimited email support with my expert team so you get to ask all the important questions relating to your health. Monthly newsletters with my latest discoveries, hints and tips for healthy kidney function, as well as lifetime updates of the Kidney Disease Solution. So, you see, this program is as good as having me in your living room. Every cause of kidney disease and impaired kidney function has a unique solution outlined for your personal healing protocol. There's a toolkit of natural remedies to heal your kidneys from the inside out. There's a simple, little-known solution to help improve kidney function naturally, proven relax-on-demand stress management techniques, and discover what foods to eat and what foods to avoid for healthy kidney function. Nana's secret tea recipe, which she attributes to giving her life back, as do thousands of people around the world healing their kidneys with this program. A comprehensive list of resources for purchasing the best herbs and supplements, and a list of links to online health information, organisations and associations related to kidney disease. Who this program is not for. It's not for those suffering from multiple organ failure, and not for those who believe in miracle cures, and it's not for those who are not willing to make some simple dietary adjustments and follow my step-by-step system. But don't worry, you'll want to. All you have to do now to start your healing journey is to click on the link below. The Kidney Disease Solution works. The testimonials speak for themselves. These people had lost hope of ever finding a solution to their kidney disease problems.
I was rather cynical about any results. In 2 weeks, I'm starting to feel good. I'm rather excited now.
Last week, I had my sugar levels monitored and they've already come down, and I've lost weight. Plus, even my doctor wants me to maintain this regime. I find it hard to believe, but after only 2 weeks, the GFR has gone up to 40% from 28%. Creatinine from 152 to 111, and the doctor has lowered the blood pressure tablet.
My doctor didn't know what to say. He had to look at the computer screen twice and then compare it with the printout. Needless to say, I'm keeping on with the treatment. Your kidney disease solution is really effective, and I truly think it has given me some more quality time on this planet.
The kidney disease solution is guaranteed to help you, no matter how poor your health. I've included a full 60-day money-back guarantee for this program, so as you can see, all the risk is on me. Use the program for 60 days following the core treatment, together with the unique protocol for your situation, to see if you are happy with the results. So you have more than enough time to see that the solution works for you. Now, to offer you the best price possible, I'm scrapping the normal price of $129.97 and offering it for only $67. For the cost of a t-shirt, you could be living a rich, healthy life. P.S. I'm only experimenting with the price and I'm not sure how long I can keep it at this low $67. This solution is going to change your life, and my accountant is telling me I'm crazy for giving it away at $67. Click on the link below to get your life back.